so cool. That was awesome. Oh my god. She's my best friend.
Yeah man, nice Subi.
Don't.
Such an awesome Subi. Oh yeah, by the way, Emily showed up as well. I forgot that car model that's like the Mitsubishi STI. You heard of that one? It's pretty cool. Look at it. Yes. Look at that thing. I need one of those. Nice it looks. And that one. I need both of them. And the ute. Need a Subaru ute.